Principal Sister Leah, parents, teachers, and my dear students. Good evening and a very happy Independence Day. It gives me immense pleasure to address myself today evening for the official online inauguration of our school science club by our principal. As all of you are aware of the pandemic threat COVID-19, it is the responsibility of each student to create awareness in society and be the torch bearers for the forthcoming generation. Various activities such as speeches, debates, seminars, quiz competitions, lectures, etc. will be coming up as a part of our science club activities. I now request Sukeshita, student representative of Plus 2, to come forward and do the welcome for the official inauguration of our science club activities.
Respected Principal, Reverend Sister Leah, teachers, parents, and my dear friends, I welcome you all to the inauguration of our school science club. Good evening, and I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I request our Principal, Reverend Sister Leah, to inaugurate our school science club of this academic year 2020-21 by rendering her valuable words.
Good evening to my dear children and teacher representatives of Science Club in our school. It's my privilege to extend a warm welcome to all of you this beautiful evening. I am happy to see the interest and effort taken by both the teachers and students to form this club. Though coronavirus has stopped our studies in school, let's be active and creative in our club by using all possibilities of today. I hope your club activities will enable you to create interest in science. It also nurtures scientific taste, knowledge and research mind in all of you. Hoping and wishing to see all as future little scientists participating in various club activities. Recent observation and experience are the holy trinity of science. Dear students, let's keep this in our mind. With the blessings of God Almighty, I inaugurate the club. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.
Is the lifeblood of earth. It explains what we were and what we could be. Respected Principal, Reverend Sister Leah, Vice Principal, Sister Lima Rose, teachers and all my dear friends, a warm welcome to one and all present here. I am Uttra S. Vijayan of Standard 10B. I am here before you with great pleasure on behalf of our Science Club. I am here to speak a few words about the importance of Science Club. The School Science Club helps to inculcate interest in science among school-going students and also to increase their problem-solving skills. Science Club is a better forum for the students to realize their scientific aspirations and to fulfill their quest in which they don't get opportunities within the syllabus frame. Students will get opportunities to conduct experiments and to know more about nature. The aims and objectives of a science club is to help students acquire basic knowledge of science to develop scientific way of learning. It also arouse and cultivate students' interest in learning science. A science club helps to develop awareness of and concern for scientific issues in personal, social, environmental and technological context. This also encourages students. The students understand the value of time and to help them in proper utilization to their art. Students have proper incentive and inspiration for pursuit of scientific knowledge in rigorous way by broadening their scientific outlook. Science club activities also makes a pupil self-reliant and active to do any manual work. Scientific temper of a nation depends on the extent use of scientific knowledge by its citizen. In a self-learning process of education system, Science Club plays an important role to incorporate better understanding of nature and diversity of information sources. Science Club will enable students in critical thinking process and also to develop scientific and rational outlook. Thank you.
Good evening all. Today I am here with you to say about science club activities. Before that, I would like to appreciate all my students because during this pandemic situation all the children are very active. I mean not only the online classes, even they are active in all the extracurricular activities. So I appreciate all my students. Congrats, keep it up children. Now I will tell you what are the activities you have to do this year. I mean last week we teachers had one online meeting and we have decided to do the following activities: Science Daily, Science Magazine, quiz, poster making, collage, simple experiments, simple models, chart making, etc. Not only that, we can also celebrate the important science days. I mean each month some dates are there regarding science. For example, September 16th Ozone Day. During that day we can conduct poster making, or else October 1st week it is Wildlife Week. So throughout that week we can celebrate as Wildlife Week. During that day also you can prepare poster or pencil drawing, we can conduct competition or painting competition, or you can prepare wall magazines using the paper cuttings or cuttings from the magazine, etc. Okay, so hope all the children will cooperate well with the teachers. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
കത്തെടുത്തന്നെ താലോലിച്ചൂട്ടിയ പെറ്റമ്മയേക്കാൾ സ്നേഹം തല്ലിത്തലോടിയ പോറ്റി വളർത്തിയ അപ്പനേക്കാൾ എന്നോടേറെ ഇഷ്ടം പാൽ മറന്നാലും പാദം മറന്നാലും മാറാത്ത
As Asna had asked the doubt about plasma therapy, me being a biology teacher, I thought I'll give you an insight about this topic. As the total number of coronavirus cases are increasing day by day, India's medical community is working harder than ever to fight the global COVID-19 pandemic. Doctors are now testing off a century-old treatment to fight COVID-19, that is using plasma therapy. The technique uses antibodies found in the blood of people who have recovered from the infection to treat patients who are newly sick. This method was earlier used to fight against Spanish flu in 1918, Ebola and SARS. To understand better, let us first begin with the basics components of blood. Blood contains blood cells and plasma. There are certain procedures to separate these components of blood. Here I have drawn a figure to explain you the components of blood. The 45% of the blood consists of blood cells, 55% is plasma. The plasma in turn consists of 90 to 92% is water, proteins 7 to 8% and other factors nearly 1 to 1%. The proteins are further of three types: the albumin, the globulin and fibrinogen. Globulin is the one that helps in the defense of the body. They produces antibodies. The globulins produces antibodies which are very specific to the pathogen. Suppose it is a COVID-19, the corona pathogen. The antibodies are very specific. It is synthesized and they help to fight the COVID-19 or the coronavirus. These antibodies do exist in the blood of the infected person. So these antibodies will be present in the blood of the infected person. So when the blood is transfused, when the plasma is transfused to the sick patient, already since the antibodies are existing in it, the chance of recovery is much more easier and much more faster. The globulin helps in the defense and it produces the antibodies. As I said, they are very specific and they fight against the pathogen. The blood that is drawn from a person who is recovered from the disease have the antibodies in it. The plasma is extracted from the blood and it is transferred to treat other patients. Plasma therapy has its own challenges like a risk of infectious disease, circulatory overload, etc. So while we need to wait and watch to really know if this age-old treatment will be effective in to treat the deadly disease, hoping for a very effective treatment method and to bid goodbye to COVID, waiting eagerly for the school to reopen and meeting you all.
Hi friends, I am Devani CK of class 8B from St. Thomas Convent Higher Secondary School, Olavukot, Palakkad. Here I am going to show you a simple experiment based on coronavirus. The materials required for this experiment are a 3x4 of a bowl filled with water, a crushed pepper powder, soap solution. So friends, let's start. So the materials required for this are a 3x4 of a bowl filled with water, the crushed pepper powder, the soap solution. So first, imagine that this water filled bowl is our body. Then this crushed pepper powder is the coronavirus. And this soap solution is the soap or hand wash we use to wash our hands. Okay, so let's start by adding the crushed pepper powder into the water. Do you see all the crushed pepper powder particles float away in the water? The next step is to dip our index finger into this crushed pepper powder floating into the water. So dip the index finger of our hand into the soap solution and dip it into the crushed pepper powder bowl containing water. So let's do. You see that the single gap is between them. It is going away. You see that all the pepper powder rushed into the sides. You see that clearly? So friends, in this experiment, we came to understand that the basic scientific principle behind this is when we are adding soap to water, the surface tension of the water decreases. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm extremely happy to see the enthusiasm of so many students to participate in all the suggested online activities of our teachers. On behalf of all the science teachers of St. Thomas, I sincerely thank our principal, teachers, parents and students who have been with us today evening. With the blessings of Almighty, let us bring our dreams fruitful and let it come out true for us. Thank you one and all.